In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a YubiKey and LastPass to secure online accounts. If you're new to hardware security keys, a YubiKey is a small physical device that adds an extra layer of protection on top of your password. Pairing it with LastPass helps make your logins far more resistant to phishing, SIM swaps, and other common attacks by requiring something you have, not just something you know. Start by opening your browser and heading to the LastPass vault. You can type the official address directly or use a bookmark you trust. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that as you normally would. It's a good idea to check the address bar and make sure you're on the genuine site before entering any credentials. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser where the full set of account options is easy to find. Once you're in the vault, look to the left side of the screen and click Account Settings. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it first so the labels are visible. Account Settings is the central place where you control your profile, security preferences, and advanced features. Navigating here ensures you're adjusting protections for your entire account, not just a single site entry. Inside Account Settings, select Multi-Factor Options. This section gathers all the tools that can verify it's really you, things like authenticator apps and hardware keys. Multi-factor is crucial because it means even if someone guesses or steals your password, they still can't get in without your second factor. Take a moment to let the page load completely, as some options may populate dynamically. Now, find the YubiKey option in the list. You may see several multi-factor choices, so scroll carefully and look for the entry labeled YubiKey. Spotting it here confirms that LastPass supports using your key as a second factor on this account. Keep your YubiKey nearby and make sure it's in good working order. If you use multiple keys, consider labeling them physically so you can tell them apart at a glance. This YubiKey area is where you'll manage how the hardware key works with your vault, and it's the place you'll return to if you want to review settings later. That's the full path. Open your LastPass vault, go to Account Settings on the left, choose Multi-Factor Options, and locate YubiKey. Following this route positions you to strengthen your account with a hardware-based second factor, reducing the risk from phishing and password reuse. Keep your key in a safe place and consider having a backup method available so you're never locked out.